The Alfredo, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the fettuccine noodles and I'm going to put them in that circle area that I made for inside of this skillet here. Once I add the fettuccine atop into the skillet, I'm then going to cover it with some mozzarella cheese, and I'm going to put it in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can broil it a little bit on top, which is probably what I would do, just to kind of give you that, you know, that extra flavor, that extra level of flavor. Thoughts? It's how my skillet is set up. It's pretty much only big enough for a serving size of 2. So what I'm going to do, since I'm only going to be putting this in the oven for maybe 10-15 minutes, I am going to turn down my oven to 350 instead of 370-ish, and then I'm still going to put my mozzarella cheese on top, but I'm going to pay close attention to that, because since the noodles are sitting on top, you don't want those to get crunchy. A good secret for those would be for you to add just a little bit extra sauce, so then that way, you know, you have something to absorb some of that moisture, then take it out.